Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing good. And the topic we are going to discuss today are subject, verb, and object. You all know a sentence is not complete without these three things. What are those? Subject, object, and of course, verb. So, what are subjects? First, let's see what are subject, verb, and object, and we will see its usage in a sentence. So, the subject in a sentence names whom or what the sentence is about. The complete subject has noun, pronoun, or noun phrase. So now let's see some examples. For example, Nikki plays football. In this sentence, Nikki is your subject. Let's take one more example. We are going out for dinner. So again, in the sentence, we pronoun is our subject. So in these two sentences, Nikki is a noun, which is the subject in the sentence, and in the next sentence, we is a pronoun, which is a subject for this sentence. Now let's see one more example. Here in this sentence, my mother's name is Anupama. So my mother's name is a noun phrase, and which is the subject in this sentence. So I hope you understand what are subjects. Subjects can be noun, pronoun, or a noun phrase. So a sentence is not complete without a subject. So now let's move on and see examples of verbs in a sentence. Now let's see the verb in the sentence. So let's take the same example. Nick plays football. In this sentence, Nick is a noun, which is a subject. Plays, it's a verb. You all know what are verbs. We have learned more about verbs. Verbs are action words. So now you know the difference between subject and verb in a sentence. Let's see one more example. In next example, we are going out for dinner. So in this sentence, we is a pronoun, which is a subject. And now let's identify the verb. The verb is going. So now I hope you understood the role of the subject and verb. Now let's go ahead and see what are objects. Now let's see what are objects. A sentence may also have an object. The object of a sentence comes after the verb and the predicate. I hope you understood. Let's understand better with some examples. So now let's take the same example to understand object in a sentence. Nikki plays football. So Now you must be knowing what is subject and verb and what is an object here in this sentence. Football is an object. As the name says, football is a thing, it is an object. So you see, the complete sentence, the sentence is complete with these three things, and those are subject, verb, and object. So let's take some more examples. So I have a sentence here. John is sleeping in a bed. So here, John is a noun, which is our subject, and sleeping is a verb, bed is an object. So I hope now you can identify subject, verb, and object in a sentence. Let's see more examples. Tanya is reading a newspaper. Tanya is a subject, reading is a verb, newspaper is an object. Vinod is walking in the sun. Vinod is a subject, walking is a verb, the sun is our object. Kim is cooking in a pot. Kim is a subject, cooking is a verb, pot is an object. Meena washed the car. Meena is your subject, washed is a verb, car is an object. So students, I hope you understand the role of subject, verb, and object, and how to identify these three elements in a sentence and how to frame sentence. So that's all for today, and you're free to call me if you have any doubts, and see you in the next class. Thank you.